Hey guys, it's Han. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. This is my first video in this room now, like as this setup. So what are we all thinking? Like what are we all feeling about this backdrop? It's obviously a little bit more like minimal than my old backdrop, which had all the lights. So let me know what you guys think of this. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is going to be a Nasty Gal haul. I'm so excited about this video. This is actually my first haul of 2021, I think. And you guys know I love a good clothing haul. Like hauls are probably one of my favorite things to do on my channel. Like I just love shopping. I feel like that's all I've been doing this lockdown again. I've got some really cute pieces from Nasty Gal to share with you in this video. It is going to be a try on haul too, as always. I'm going to link everything down below, along with a discount code that I actually have for you guys, because I am working with Nasty Gal on this video, which I'm super excited about. The discount code is HANR55. I'll pop it on the screen here so that you can see. And you actually get 55% off the entire website with that code, which is such a good amount of discount. It's literally over half price. So as I said, I'm going to leave all the links to everything that I've picked up in the description bar below. If you like the look of anything that I got, you can use it on whatever on the site though, of course. Does exclude sale, I just want to say that. So anything that's on sale won't be included in the discount code, but anything that's full price, you can use it and you'll get 55% off. I may as well actually start with what I'm wearing. So this really cute cardigan is one of the things that I actually picked up for this video. I feel like knitwear is something that I just always have such an abundance of in my wardrobe. Like I always have to have so many cute pieces of knitwear. This is just a really beautiful like cardigan. As you can see, it's a really nice baby blue color. I have got a try on clip where you'll see it properly anyway. When I tell you, this is literally the softest feel of knit like I've ever felt. Like it's so soft. It's really just like cozy and lovely on the skin. Fits really well. I got a size, let me check. I got a size small in this, and I feel like it's just the right amount of kind of like bagginess and oversized, but also kind of fits really nicely as well. So I actually picked this up in this color, which is this like baby blue color, and then I also got it in another color, which I will show you as well. But honestly, probably one of my favorite pieces in this haul. I feel like it'll go really nicely with a pair of jeans and with some joggers, just like anything super casual. This is actually the other color that I picked up as well. They do this cardigan in a bunch of different colors, but I just thought these two colors were really nice for like spring time, like this time of year. So this one, as you can see, is just like a really nice, it's kind of like a sage green, I would say. I love the button details on these cardigans as well. They're kind of almost like pearlescent buttons. They look really cute and really delicate. I just can't tell you guys how soft these cardigans are. Like honestly, I feel like every single person needs one of these cardigans because they just look so cute on. They look really just like flattering and feminine and just like cute on. I love the fact that the sleeves are quite baggy as well, but then they are still cuffed at the end. It kind of just gives you this really nice like loose sleeve, but then the actual cardigan is quite fitted. I just think this really cute. I love the fact that they're cropped. I love the neckline. Like I love everything about them. I feel like I've genuinely been speaking about these cardigans for the past 5 minutes, but I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I feel like everyone needs one, so I'm really glad that I picked two of those up. Okay, and then I picked up another cardigan as well, which is actually a really kind of different style for me. I don't really have anything in this kind of like print, but I feel like it's really in at the minute. It's obviously just like a little black and white cardigan. I feel like anything that is just like black, white, grey, nude, like anything neutral, I always love to have, just because I feel like it's super versatile and it'll go with loads of different things in my wardrobe. So kind of had this in mind again for maybe like a pair of jeans. I feel like this would layer really nicely with like a little shirt as well, like a little collared shirt. Also maybe a pair of joggers or a pair of like leather pants. I feel like it'll look really cute with a pair of like wide leg leather pants that I've got. I just really love this. I think it's super cute. It's something different from what I would usually wear, and that's something that I'm trying to do a little bit more this year. Like that's one of the things I really want to do this year, is to just like branch out a little bit and try pieces of like clothing or whatever it may be that are just not necessarily my kind of style, just to like get myself out of my comfort zone a little bit and to get my like brain going with how I would style different things. So I really love this. It's super soft. It's not as much of like a chunky knit as this cardigan, and it's a lot more fitted. I do kind of wish I got this in a size up. So again, I got this in a small. I feel like a medium would have been perfect, but I actually quite like that it's just really kind of dainty and cropped and just really cute on. Okay, then another piece of knitwear. I feel like this style of like sweater jumper is really in at the minute. So it's basically a roll neck kind of like nude sleeveless sweater. I don't really know what you would call this. It's kind of like a vest, I guess. I've seen a lot of people style these with these that don't have the roll neck and they've just got a normal neckline with like a shirt underneath, which I think looks really cute. It's actually kind of perfect for layering. It does do up at the side, but it is kind of like just a really loose string tie, which you can just do up yourself. I feel like it'll look really nice with maybe like a long sleeve ribbed top underneath, or something that's kind of like a shirt style material as well. I think would look really cute with a pair of jeans. It's literally kind of just one strip of fabric, but it's really nicely fitted. I love the fact that the shoulders kind of come out a little bit as well, so it feels a little bit more of like a boxy fit. I just think, again, this is really cute. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I think style wise, like just something like nice and plain underneath, like a long white sleeve top will look really nice, and a pair of jeans, and then you can always pair it with like heels or trainers. But yeah, I really love this. Again, it's super soft. I love the fact that it just has these loose ties at the side as well, because you can either kind of tie them in a little bow or you can do them up in a knot, whatever you want to do, and then you can kind of alter like how tight or how loose the top is. Okay, then this, again, a little bit out of my comfort zone for me. I don't usually wear much like patterned knitwear. This I just thought was super cute again though. Again, it's black and white, so it's still a little bit in my comfort zone in the sense that it's still quite neutral. It's basically a high neck oversized sweater with kind of almost like an animal kind of like cheetah print, but not quite. It's like somewhere in between like a leopard print and a zebra print or something. So I got this in a size medium. I wanted this to feel a little bit bigger and a little bit baggier because I wanted the option of putting like cycling shorts underneath this and then maybe like a pair of little boots or something. That's kind of what I had in mind for it. I love the fact that it's like a high neck as well, but it's not like an oversized roll neck high neck, if you know what I'm saying. It's kind of a little bit of a different style of fit. Love the fact that it's got cuffed sleeves, and again, it's got this kind of ribbed detail on at the bottom. I love this. It's really soft on. Again, I think it's going to be really great for layering and just like styling in loads of different ways. I just think it's super cute, and again, with maybe like a low bun or like a pony, like a sleek pony, I feel like this will look really cute. Okay, and then onto some trousers that I picked up. So these are just like a pair of black flared split pants, I would say. This style of pant, again, I think is really in at the minute. It's kind of this like split like leg towards the bottom. What I really love about these is A, they're high-waisted. I feel like I've been on the hunt for a pair of these style of pants for like so long now, and I do have a pair, but they were quite expensive. They were from quite a high-end brand, and I just wanted to find some from a little bit more of like an affordable brand that was still great quality and still a really good fit, and that is literally what these pants are. Like, they fit so beautifully. They're super high-waisted, which I love. Really comfy. They've got an elasticated waist, so they're nice and comfortable and not too tight. They're kind of like a crepe material, I would say, so they almost feel like they could be formal pants as well. Like, I feel like you could definitely put a pair of heels on with these and dress them up, as well as wearing them with trainers. They're like the perfect length as well. They are very flared, which personally I actually quite like. Like, I actually quite like flared pants, so it doesn't bother me that they are quite like a dramatic flare. I feel like flares always make your legs and your bum look so good as well. Like, they just make you look like you've got such a beautiful figure. Like, they hug you in all the right places. I just love these. I just think they're really cute on. I love the length of them. I love the fit of them. They're not see-through at all. Like, they feel good quality and like really good sturdy trousers. So I'm excited to wear these. I feel like for lockdown they'll be perfect just to go out with like a pair of trainers on like a little walk or whatever, or to wear around the house, and then I can pair them with heels when hopefully one day we can go back out and actually leave the house properly. And then I also got a similar style of pants in this like chocolate colour. I really love chocolate as like a colour at the minute. I love just like pairing chocolate with like different shades of nudes. Like, a whole outfit of just like different shades of nudes is like right up my street at the minute. These actually have a little bit more of a subtle flare and a little bit more of like a subtle split at the bottom. So if you don't want something as flared as the black pants, I feel like these are absolutely perfect. Again, fit wise, they look absolutely gorgeous on. They're the same kind of like crepe material as well, so definitely could be dressed up or dressed down. Very similar in terms of the waist. They've got this like elasticated waist, and then they've kind of got like this lining going down the front of the leg as well, which is really nice. Again, I feel like it makes them feel a little bit more dressy. They're just really cute, really gorgeous to go with like a cropped sweater, like a cropped hoodie. They could go with like a little shirt and a pair of heels. I feel like pants like this are just super versatile and really, really great to have in your wardrobe, so I'm very excited to wear those. Next, I picked up a tracksuit set. I feel like I can never have too many tracksuit sets, like it's literally what I'm living in at the minute anyway. So I didn't actually have a hoodie or any joggers in this kind of colour, this kind of like mauvey pink colour, which again I just think is such a cute colour for like springtime. The fit and the quality of this like hoodie and the joggers is so beautiful. They're really, really thick in terms of the material. They're fleece lined as well. I don't know if you can tell that on camera, but they've got this like really gorgeous fleece lining, so they feel really, really cozy on as well. They've got drawstrings with these little black tabs, which I actually really like because they tie in with like trainers with like black detail on, really, really lovely as well. They actually do this style of tracksuit in kind of like a creamy beige colour as well, which I'm definitely going to pick up, and I think maybe like a blue green colour as well. The joggers are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. They've got pockets, they've got an elasticated, like, or not elasticated, they've got like a drawstring waist. I got these in a size medium. I really love them because you can kind of tie them and cinch them in on the waist, but they're still then quite like slouchy and baggy on, which is nice. Really just love the quality over these. I feel like sometimes when you buy tracksuit or like loungewear sets that are more of like an affordable price, they're not always the best quality wise, or they don't always wash really well or like last a long amount of time, but I can tell that these, like this set will. Just really, really comfortable, perfect with a pair of like white trainers. I love having matching sets as well. I feel like it just looks like you've made a bit more effort and you look a bit more put together, but it's still just the most like basic, like easy outfit to wear. Okay, and then really random, but I just picked up this little bodysuit as well, which I thought was super, super cute. So this is just a high neck, kind of like racer neck style bodysuit. It's in this like slinky, stretchy material. First of all, the fit of it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm always very picky with bodysuits because I have quite a long torso and I'm like 5'7", which isn't like super tall, but I feel like a lot of bodysuits sometimes are quite uncomfortable because they're not long enough. This one is really, really lovely. Like, it's nice and long, it's stretchy, the neckline is really cute. I had this in mind for a pair of like black wide leg leather pants, or maybe a pair of jeans and like a little pair of heels or some trainers. I love just having like simple tops like this. And again, one thing that I'm trying to do more this year is wear like more bits of colour. Not that this is like a crazy like pop of colour or anything, but I'm trying to just like wear more than just like grey, nude, black, white or whatever else. So I thought this would be cute just to have in my wardrobe, just to pair with like black trousers, jeans, skirts, like whatever it is. And then last but not least, I actually picked up a suit set. So I basically got a skirt, a pair of trousers and a blazer, which is all this kind of shade of grey. It looks really, really smart on. It's really versatile. Like, you can kind of just pair it with anything, like any other colour. This skirt I really, really love. It's got this kind of like pocket detail here, which they're not actually real pockets, but I still think it's a nice detail on the front of the skirt, and I love the way that the skirt kind of splits out at the front. I got this in a size 8. I kind of wish that I had sized down in this now, just because it is quite a big fit for a skirt, I feel like. And I like my skirts to be quite tight, so I think I'm going to get it in a 6 instead. I love the length of it. I feel like with a pair of like little heels or a pair of boots and some tights maybe, this will look really, really cute. And then I also picked up a pair of wide leg trousers, which is going to be kind of hard to show, but I did do a try on clip for them. These fit beautifully. Again, I got these in an 8, and I feel like in terms of the size, they're absolutely perfect. Love the length of them. Like, the length is perfect. I feel like they're just long enough, because again, I'm kind of picky with wide leg trousers because a lot of the time they come up quite short on me, especially if I'm putting heels on with them as well. Yeah, really, really love these. I feel like you could pair this with like a little shirt or something, or like a cropped top and the blazer that comes with it, or a coat or whatever else. Having wide leg trousers, this kind of like suit style of trouser, again, I just think is a really great thing to have in your wardrobe because it's super, super versatile. I feel like they pair really nicely with just like clean white trainers as well. Like, it just makes, you can kind of make them more casual or dress them up. And then the blazer, I absolutely love the fit of this. So this is what the blazer looks like. I got this in a 10 just because I do tend to like my blazers a little bit more oversized. It's got really kind of chunky shoulder pads, which I quite like. I kind of like the fit of almost like a boyfriend fit suit, just something that's a little bit more oversized, a little bit baggy. Like I feel like it just looks really, really cool on. It's got black buttons the same way that the skirt has, so I kind of like the fact that it's almost like a three-way suit, because you can either pair this with the skirt, this with the pants, but then you can also wear everything individually as well. Like you could wear the blazer with a pair of jeans or a pair of like cycling shorts and a little top, like whatever it is. But I absolutely love the fit of this. It's really, really good quality as well. Like the quality of these pieces is incredible. But yeah, that is everything that I picked up from Nasty Girl. As I said at the start, I do have a discount code. Make sure you guys use it, because obviously it will be like a limited time code as well. So it's HANR55 for 55% off. I'm going to leave links to everything that I've picked up down below, but obviously you can use it on the full site, including everything except sale. I really hope you guys liked what I picked up. Please let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite thing, and if you've recently purchased anything yourself, because I would love to know. And yeah, let me know what you think of this like background, like backdrop too. I'm gonna get going anyway. I love you guys as always, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.